Once upon a time in a peaceful, colorful village, nestled between towering mountains and surrounded by babbling brooks, lived a lively cat named Whiskers. Whiskers was no ordinary cat. He was curious and adventurous, with eyes as blue as the summer sky and a tail that swished like a playful stream. Whiskers belonged to a young girl named Emily, who had the brightest smile and hair like sunshine. One bright morning, Emily woke up with a sparkle of excitement in her eyes. "Whiskers, today is the day. We are going to explore the magic forest," she declared as she scurried about, tying her shoelaces and adjusting her green backpack. Whiskers meowed enthusiastically, his paws dancing on the windowsill as if he couldn't wait to go on their grand adventure. The magic forest was just beyond the hills, known for its glowing trees and singing brook that could heal the saddest hearts. Emily and Whiskers trotted down the cobblestone path, greeting neighbors and birds along the way. "Good luck on your adventure," cheered Mr. Bumble, the kindly postman, giving Whiskers a gentle pat. As they entered the forest, the sunlight twinkled between the leaves, casting pixie-like patterns upon the path. Whiskers chased after butterflies, his paws leaping on soft moss. Emily giggled, watching the butterflies dance around her furry companion. Suddenly, a soft, mysterious hum filled the air. Emily and Whiskers paused, ears perked. They followed the sound until they found an old, forgotten well, covered in ivy and glistening with dew. On its edge sat an enchanting, ancient book that seemed to hum with life. "Look, Whiskers, it must be the Book of Secret Grooves, the one Grandpa told us about," Emily whispered in awe. Whiskers purred, rubbing against her leg, his whiskers quivering with excitement. With trembling fingers, Emily opened the book. Bright, shimmering letters floated into the air. The letters formed a swirl that danced above their heads, revealing tales of the forest forgotten by time. From that day on, Emily and Whiskers would visit the magic forest often, learning its secrets, sharing laughter, and weaving magical stories of their own that filled the village with joy and wonder. They became the storytellers of the magic forest, with Whiskers' tales of chasing enchanted butterflies and Emily's stories of glowing trees. And so, the adventures of Emily and Whiskers continued, creating ripples of happiness wherever they went, in the magical 3D tapestry of their lives.